I am doing numerical number 12 on page 721. A gas expands from 75 liter volume to 125 liters. 75 liters means 75 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, as 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So V1 is 75 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. V2 is 125 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube at an atmospheric pressure of 4 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere is equals to 1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. It is given. The question is, find out the amount of work required to expand this gas. So work done is P delta V. Change in volume is 125 minus 75, that is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3. Pressure is 4 into 10 to the power 5. You will solve it, you will get work done as 2 into 10 to the power 4 joule. Now the next numerical is numerical number 17. A system is given 1000 calorie of heat. The system does 418 joule of work and loss of heat is 100 calorie. Find the change in internal energy. You need to find the change in internal energy. Conversion factor 1 calorie is equals to 4.18 joule. It is given. So you need to find the change in internal energy. You all know that total useful energy, useful heat energy is equals to 1000 minus 100, that is 900 calorie. We have to convert this into joule. So Q, that is 900 into 4.18 is equals to work done plus delta U. So delta U is equals to minus 418, that is equals to 3344 joule. This is the answer for numerical number 17. Now next is numerical number 21. This is numericals on PV diagram. Numerical number 21. The adjacent figure 21.17. The figure is given in the question. This is on page 722. I am drawing the diagram. You can see it. One, two, three, and this is 4. This is pressure in Newton per meter square. Now here you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. This is volume in meter cube. Now you can see through the diagram this is the diagram starting from A. A is this point and this is B. Then this is B to C. This is C. Then C to D, and then this is the diagram, PV curve, pressure and volume curve. In state D, at D, internal energy is 10 joule. It is given in the figure. Find, now the first part, if 10 joule of heat is given to the system to bring it from state D to A, along D to A, Q given is 10 joule. Then what is the internal energy of the system in state A? You have to find UA. For that you need to have work done along DA. Work done along DA is P delta V. That is, pressure is 1. Pressure you can see 1. It is P delta V, or you can write area under AD. Area AD, that is a rectangle. 5 minus 1 is 4. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So 4 into 1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So this is minus 4 joule. Final volume minus initial, that is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 into pressure, that is minus 4 joule. Now applying the first law of thermodynamics, Q is equals to W plus delta U. W is minus 4, delta U is U A minus U D. Now Q is 10, is equals to minus 4 plus UA you need to find, UD is given. So this is all equals, implies that internal energy at A is 24 joule. This is the answer for the first part, internal energy at A, that is equals to 24 joule. Now the second part, total work done by the system when the system undergoes a process starting from A and again reaches to state A via going through states B, C and D. That is, you are starting from A, moving to B, then C, then D, and then again comes back to A. So what is the total work done? You have read in PV curve that total work done is equals to area enclosed by the curve, PV curve. So area enclosed is area of trapezium. This is area of trapezium. You must know what is the area of trapezium. That is half sum of parallel sides BC plus AD into height, that is CD. So here you are getting half BC. BC is 5 minus 3, that is 2. AD, D minus A, that is 5 minus 1, 4 into CD. CD is 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. What is left? You are left with 6 joule. So total work done is 6 joule. This is for the second part. Now the third part, what is the nature of process in going from state C to D? Now this is very easy. What is the nature of process? You have to tell the process which is going on from C to D, because from C to D you can see the volume is constant. So the process is isochronic process. This is numerical number 21. Now next we will do an important numerical explaining First law of thermodynamics, that is numerical number 29.